What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs. Today I'm going to be making a lighted Chevy bow tie license plate. LED bulbs. It will be purple because that's the color I got. And what you're going to need is you're going to need a template, of course. I have my template right here for the outer ring, and then a template for the inner portion as well, because the way it is going to be is I'll be cutting this out, and then I will be putting the other portion inside, and then it will have a lighted ring is what will end up happening there. This is an old scrap piece. As you can see, it's got some holes in it already, so it's not a big deal, and that's one of the other reasons I decided to make that center plate to go over it so that it covers up the holes. And then I'll have to drill a couple more holes. I'll end up having 4 lights in it, and that should be more than sufficient in order to light this thing up the way it needs to be. And, well, if that's not enough, then, I don't know, I may add a couple of extras, possibly. We'll see how I feel when I get this thing cut out. Okay, well, we got that part cut out, and now we are, I have already got this other plate cut out of a piece of plastic that I had lying around. It was an old printer case. I've got it drying right now. I had primered it, so I'll be painting it, and I'll be painting it black, which you can paint yours any color you want. You don't even have to have this plate. I'm just using the plate mostly because, well, I think it's going to look pretty cool once it's done. And also I have these holes in it, so I didn't really want the holes. But anyways, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to do some cleanup on this, get these edges a little bit nicer. I'll do some cleanup on this part and get that stuff all taken off of there. Okay, anyways, there you have that part. I'm hoping it'll illuminate it enough that you'll be able to see it quite well. So there'll be one there, one there, one there, one there. There'll be 4 lights in it. The LEDs are pretty bright that I got. They're actually these ones off of Amazon. The company or whatever, the person that's selling them is Trendbox. And there was 50 of them for like shipping and all. It was like 17 bucks. So anyways, there's that, and there's this. I will need to center this up and mark where my holes are. Let's see, roundabout center will be I think this will be good. So gotta make sure that they're still lined up. Look good, look good, look good. Looks really good, and it's not too bad. It's pretty well centered, I think. What do you think? Pretty good. Okay, anyways, got the plate, got the license plate, got the front plate, got the plexiglass or clear plastic piece. Like I said, I wanted to use 1/2 inch, but this was something that I had lying around and my budget was really low. And I had already ordered those for the ZX2 project, so I thought I'd throw together a Chevy bow tie out of the leftovers, scrap parts. So anyways, we're gonna get to that. I'll have to glue that together. I still need to finish painting this, so it doesn't really matter. I'll get to that here in a little while. It's not a big deal, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually glue this down. So we're going to get the back of this cleaned up a little bit, wiped down anyways, and we're going to get the E6000 is what I use, what I've been using. This stuff's pretty awesome. I really have been impressed with it. I really like it quite well. So anyways, okay, we have this cleaned up, wiped down. Okay, so I have it over there with the 6000 on it, and I've got a brick on top of it. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up my tools here. I'm going to pick my stuff up, clean out this table, and I'm going to get ready to go ahead and paint my little center bow tie for had my soldering iron warming up for a while, so it should be ready to use. So anyways, well, not the most beautiful solder job in the world, but hey, it's not too bad considering I don't solder as much as I used to. Anyways, now that we have that done, we'll hit it up with some tape. This obviously won't be a permanent thing, obviously. I will get a cover for the back of this because they do sell license plate covers, and I can get one and then that'll contain the wires in it. But anyways, I've got plenty of time to completely finish this up. I don't have to worry about it right at this very second. But I am going to give you a demo of it so you can see what she looks like. And there you have it. I think that looks pretty cool. It's pretty bright. It'll look great at night. Obviously, you won't be able to see it that well during the day, but being it's just a luminescent glow around the Chevy bow tie, I think it's pretty amazing. It isn't that bad. I could have put more lights in it and made it like real bright, but I think that's just about perfect for what I want. But if you wanted to put more in yours, you could put as many as you want to. So anyways, I thought that was pretty cool. Whenever it does come back to it and I do get something to put it on, I'll have it all the way completely finished by then. Like I say, I'm going to get a cover for the back and get it taken care of, and that way it'll be, the wires will be covered and I won't really have to worry about weather that much. So basically, when this thing is finished and it's put onto whatever vehicle, it could be any kind of Chevy, but I'm hoping to be able to get another S10. So anyways, 7 LEDs, a piece of old plexiglass, an old piece of plastic, and an old license plate. Well, it was old airbrushing license plate. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. Have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.